Dear traders, in this video I am going to explain you about the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator in TradingView, and I will also explain you that when to enter into the market and when to take the exit from the market and to earn the maximum profit by using this strategy. I will also tell you that which indicators we are using with the help of those simple indicator strategy. You will be amazed at how easy it is to get the profit by using this powerful strategy. Okay, this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. And here I will like to explain that or tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with Exness, you will have the 5 options of accounts. There are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and there are 3 professional accounts. They are raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened GBP, JPY chart in 5 minutes time frame, right? You can use any other time frame as well, but I have chosen my time frame in 5 minutes, right? The indicators that we are using here, the first indicator is the stochastic heat map by Violent. 3068 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now you will go into the settings of this indicator and you have to change few of the things in the settings of this indicator. The first thing that you have to change is the EMA will be changed from EMA to WMA. Here you have to change its theme from theme 3 to theme 1. The increment that you have to change from 10 to 8. Smooth fast you have to change from 2 to 7. And smooth slow you have to change from 21 to 26. And plot number you have to change from 28 to 25. Right? Now you will go into the style tab and here you have to come long way down at the end almost, and what you have to do here is to change the color of the plot. As you can see here, all these are the colors of the plots. As you can see here, this is the white color, so make it more prominent. I'm choosing the orange color. Along with, I will be changing its thickness. Now it is more prominent. Now I have to change this plot color as well and its thickness only. I have to change its this plot. I have to change its thickness as well. So now they are more prominent. Click OK. And now this is showing you the red color and green color bars here. So you can you should know that red color means that the market is in the oversold level and green color means that your market is in the overbought level, right? So when to take the entry into the market, always remember this orange color line is the K line and white color line is the D line. Whenever your K line will be crossing to the D line or D line, in the oversold level, it will always take a trend reversal and the market will enter into the buy signal, right? Into the uptrend or into the bullish trend. And conversely means if your this K line will be crossing to this D line in the overbought level, then always there will be a trend reversal and your market will enter into the sell signal or in the downtrend or in the bearish signal, right? So this is all about stochastic stochastic heat map indicator. Now we are going to add another indicator, and that is pivot point super trend by Lonesom. So you have to simply click on it to add it on your chart. Now you are going to take few of the changings of the settings in the inputs tab. Pivot point period you have to change from 2 to 3, and ATR factor you have to change from 3 to 2.8, and ATR period you have to change from 10 to 8, right? Here we also have showed support and resistance, but we are not going to have it here. We are going to change it from to 8, but we are not going to use the support and resistance level, so we will be adding another indicator for that. in the style tab, we are not going to change anything. So click OK. And now our market will be looking like this according to this chart. Now we are going to add the third and the final indicator for this, and that is volume based support and resistance zones. Volume based support and resistance zones by Tommy F1001. 11,983 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. Now you have to go into the settings tab, into the inputs tab, and here you have to set few of the things in the time frames of the support and resistance zones. The first thing that you are going to change here, the volume MA threshold from 6 to 8. The second thing, number of zones back, you have to change from 30 to 33. And here you are going to change its color. You are going to make the same color of support and resistance to make it more clear. Now you are going to change the time frame too, as your previous time was 4 hours. So this time frame you have to double it here, make it 8 hours, and volume MA threshold you will make it same as the previous one, and number of zones break back from 30 to 33. Here also you will do the same activity, and you have to make support and resistance line color same. Now time frame 3, we will set it on day, and volume MA threshold again, this will be same, and this will be 33, right? So here also you have to change the color of support and resistance line color, as it was blue, so we also made it blue. Now click OK, and you are not going to have any other thing to change into it, right? So what to do here? You have to, when to take the entry into the market, always remember we have to look towards our stochastic heat map indicator. Whenever this K line or orange line will cross over this D line, in the oversold level, always remember that there will be a trend reversal in the market, and your market will enter into the buy signal, right? Or into the bullish market or bullish trend. Here we have to wait for a pivot point, a super trend indicator, to give you buy signal. As you have to take the entry into the market for the buy signal, you have to look towards your market, and from here to till here you have taken the maximum profit. Now when to exit from the market? For these we have these support and resistance levels. As you can see, this is the support level and this is the resistance level. Until your market will cross over these support and resistance levels, you have to keep entered into the market for taking your profit from this using this strategy. But as your market will be reversed back by any resistance level, then you have to exit from your market, right? So you will not take any kind of risk for keep yourself entered into the market for taking the profit, as now the trend has been changed, right? So when to enter into the market for the sell signal? Again, the same, if we see that now K line is crossing over this D line in the overbought level, so your market will be taking a trend reversal and it will enter into the bearish trend, right? Then we have to wait for our pivot point super trend indicator to give us sell signal. Now we have entered into the market, and you can see from here till here we have taken the profit. Now this is our support level and this is our resistance level. If our market has to cross it over and move down again, then you will keep yourself entered into the market for taking profits. But if your market has been reversed by any support level, then you have to exit from the market. Okay, do not keep yourself there for taking more profit or keep yourself in the risk of taking more profit. No need. You have to just simply exit from the market and now wait for the next signal to enter into the market. So this is all about this strategy. Do use it for your own trading. If you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and thank you for watching it.